going to show you guys how to change the air filter on a Honda CR-V. I think this is like 2017 and up. Alright, it's a simple process as pushing down these tabs, one here, one here. Lift this up. Lift out the filter. It's that easy. This is the filter. Then you get the new one. It's just a quick video showing you guys how easy it is. Just slide that in here. But you'll be sliding it in this way. Where this end sits here and then this end sits flat. Slide it in like so. Push it down. Push this down. Push these tabs up. And that's it. Change your engine air filter. The filter is the air that goes into the engine. It's that easy. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Get to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.